Nanyang International School Limited aims at providing an opportunity for a girl child and women to involve both in education, both adult and even the preliminary educations, like from the primary and to the secondary school. So now is seeking for the support of those who may like to buy into the idea of promoting the aims and objectives of this organization. The Nanyang International School Limited ensures the safety and the protections of right and dignity of both women and girls in the school. The school also ensures that there should be adequate provisions of healthcare system and vocational training that will promote and boost their life, healthy, and the economic situations of the country. The Nanyang International School Limited does not welcome any act of gender bias or maybe social abuse of rights, deprivations of rights, and other things. No. Protections are being made to cover all this. Come to Nanyang International School Limited and you will enjoy the best. But let me tell you more. It aims at promoting and boosting the education of women and a girl child in the country, across the globe. We are growing and we are going somewhere. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe, share so that many will be aware of it. Now, it looks small, but we are going somewhere. It doesn't matter wherever we are starting, but the most important thing is that we're going somewhere. Thank you. Bye.